with Amma.
So Amma, what are we going to cook today?
Masala Dosa.
So are the ingredients ready?
Yes.
Are we ready to cook?
Yes.
Let's go.
Okay.
So for masala dosa, I have taken a pan in which I have added 4 tablespoons of oil. You can always modify the oil or the spices according to your preferences. Now I am adding about 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds. Let the mustard seeds pop. Once you hear the popping sound, it is the perfect time to add 1 strand of curry leaves. After this, we will be adding 1 teaspoon of ginger cut in small pieces. Once it's fried, I'll be adding green chillis, basically 1 small green chilli chopped, and we will saute it well. Now I'm adding 2 medium-sized onions chopped finely. And saute it well. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi, after which we will saute it well. Now I have taken about 3 to 4 boiled potatoes. They are medium-sized potatoes, and after that we will saute it well. After this, we will add salt to taste. Next up, I'm adding about 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. You can always modify the spice level according to your preference. Now we will mash this nicely, and it will be looking like this. Next up, I'm adding some coriander leaves just for the garnish, and mix it well. The next part of this is making and preparing the dosa. So for dosa, I have taken dosa batter. Now spread some of the dosa batter on a flat laid pan and let the bottom fry and cook properly. I've just added a little bit of oil so that it helps in the process. Now I have just made sure that the bottom of the dosa is nice and fine and crisp. After which I'm actually spreading the potato, the filling mixture onto the top of dosa. After about 2 to 3 minutes, I'm going to roll it over, and you can see there is a nice brown color to the bottom of the dosa, and that's exactly what happens to be the indication that dosa is nicely cooked. And your masala dosa is ready.
If you liked our video and want us to make more such videos, then do
Like,
share
comment,
and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is
Cooking with Amma.